Hello all, this is Ram Prasad from Ram Rammi Simple Market. Let us see the pre-market report for 18th February 2025. First of all, let us see the important things which happened in Indian market. Today, Finance Minister and the Finance Secretary, they spoke in the media saying that FII is selling is because of the profit booking. They said, even Finance Secretary said very clearly, our Indian market is so resilient and our market can able to deliver much better results. This is what both the statements, Finance Minister as well as the Finance Secretary both mentioned today. So it is a normal profit booking. So meaning that what they are trying to say is our Indian market is doing better. That is what they are booking their profit due to instability in the market. Like, the overall situation, dollar indexes keep increasing and instability related to tariff war. So these kind of things, that is the reason they are pulling the money, they are booking the profit and they are going back to their own origin country. So this is the reason they stated, and the finance secretary said very clearly, our market is so resilient. Okay, so which is one of the positive things. Let us hope market will take this positive information. At least it should not fall further. At least let it stabilize here. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing is Singtel is selling about 8,500 crores in Airtel stock, Airtel stake. So we have to keep eye on it. So naturally, telecom related stocks, we have to keep eye on it, especially Airtel. So at currently, Singtel is holding about 9% of the stake in Airtel. So these are all the two major important things which is released in Indian aspect. A dollar market today, US market is closed today, and a tariff war, as we mentioned as I mentioned in the last video as well, nobody will win in this tariff war. So Trump administration and Trump is okay to have a negotiation with the countries for the tariff. Like, he want to have a proportional tariff implementation. Like, so even India as well as India also started the discussion with the US for the fair trade tariff policy. Okay. So this is related to the tariff related the thing which is ongoing right now. And the second and foremost thing is Ukraine-Russia conflict, like, ceasefire, which will be implemented. I hope the positive development is happening. Hopefully, this war will come to an end, because last 3 years it's keep going. So due to which the European Union, this conflict between Russia and Ukraine settle down means they will the European Union will benefit from the trade related aspects. Okay, so which is also the positive thing. Let us see this, the global momentum will consider this as a positive, and let it stabilize as well. Okay, so coming to this market course of action. So Nifty means, finally market stopped 8 days continuous losing streak. Okay, so 9th day at least it traded, it means morning it opened negative, and later on, while closing, at least it closed positive. So which is also good sign. So let us see, because now the current level is very clear. The current support is at 22,800. Today is the fourth time it formed the base at 22,800. Okay, so the clear support is at 22,800, and resistance, the first level resistance is at 23,100. Next level resistance is at 23,350. So once Nifty close above 23,350, we can expect a positive momentum will continue further. And the clear next level support is at 22,500. Okay, this is related to the support level. And how the market will decide the future course of action, we have to keep eye on this Trump tariff related information, and how dollar market means, what are all the things he will do, the reciprocal tariff implementation related news, we have to keep eye on it. And the second and foremost thing is coming Friday, this February month, flash PMI data is scheduled to release, like services PMI and manufacturing PMI is scheduled to release for dollar market and Eurozone, UK as well as India. So these are all the things we have to keep eye on it. Accordingly, this week it will decide the market course of action. So most of the survey and most of the analysts suggested that from here the downside momentum, means the downside potential risk is limited. We cannot rule out it may test 22,500 as well, but downside potential from here is little limited. Most probably market will take a support here and it will stabilize. Okay, let us keep watching those macro related information which will guide the market course of action. And this kind of sharp information for pre-market report, please subscribe Ram Rammy Simple Market. Thanks for watching. Thank you.